Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today's Islamic date 14 Jamad Thani 1445 Hijri. Today's day Friday 29 December 2023. My dear brothers and sisters, today we are going to learn about Imam Abu Haneefa Rahmatullahi Alaih. Imam Abu Haneefa Rahmatullahi Alaih quoted that a little action with knowledge is far more beneficial than a lot of action with ignorance. Let us learn some information about him. The name Abu Haneefa is derived from the name of one of his daughters, meaning father of Haneefa. Haneefa, the daughter of the Imam, was well known for her piousness, showed great intelligence and wisdom at an early age. She had her own halakha study circle where she instructed students in matters of religion. Imam Abu Haneefa's full name was Nu'man ibn Thabit. He was born in the city of Kufa in Iraq 67 years after the death of Muhammad, peace be upon him. He was the only son of his parents. His father was a rich businessman, and from a very early age he was involved in business with his father. His father died when he was 16, so he learned the silk trade from his grandfather. Abu Haneefa used his knowledge to help others. He started teaching and soon became known for his wisdom and understanding of Islamic law. He developed a method to interpret the Quran and Hadith which helped people understand the Islam better. But what made Abu Haneefa truly special was his character. He was known for his honesty, kindness, and respect for others. Even when he became a famous scholar, he remained humble and always willing to learn. Let us learn some facts about him. First, the famous Imam Ash-Shabi who gave him the advice to study the religion of Islam more in depth. That one piece of advice changed the life of Imam Abu Haneefa, and he became one of the greatest scholars of Islamic history. Second, he founded the Hanafi school of fiqh, which is one of the four major schools of Islamic law. Third, Imam Abu Haneefa benefited from nearly 4,000 sheikhs and is reputed to have performed 50 Hajj in his lifetime. Fourth, he collected 40,000 hadiths, and after selecting the authentic Sahih hadiths out of them, he wrote his book Kitab al-Asr. This was one of the first of its kind for a book written during its time in Islamic history. He was buried in the city of Baghdad in Iraq. Jazakallahu khair.